How to fix Facebook dating not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can fix if the Facebook dating is not showing at all, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if the Facebook dating is basically not showing, it's actually quite very simple to fix it. But the main reason why this happens is even if you open Facebook, you know that Facebook has a new feature called Facebook dating. If you don't find it at this navigation menu, you can tap the three lines option and instead go to all shortcuts and see if you have the dating one. Otherwise, what you want to do is come back to Facebook and make sure you're updated to the latest version. Now even after you do all this, it still doesn't show, then it just means that you have to wait, because Facebook dating is a new feature that Meta hasn't rolled out to all of the regions yet, especially in some regions of Asia. So it's primarily available in the Americas and Europe, but it's not available in Asia as for now. So if you are from one of those countries, then just wait until Facebook actually updates it. Even I personally haven't seen this update on my Facebook app. It just means it could take a week or two or maybe a month at the maximum for Facebook to realize and give this feature out to the public. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.